Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another makeup tutorial for you all, and this time I have done a super glam smoky eye look with infusing a classic blue in my makeup look, which also happens to be the Pantone color of the year 2020. So if you want to know how I got this super glam makeup look, then please keep on watching. So my base is already done. So I'm taking the Too Faced Life's a Festival eyeshadow palette, and I'm picking up that warm brown, sort of a corally toned matte eyeshadow on a blending brush and applying that on the crease of my eyes. Then I'm gonna pick up the LA Girl HD Pro Compact Powder in the shade Cocoa, which is like a deep, dark chocolatey brown compact powder. I'm picking up that powder on a different blending brush and applying that precisely on the crease of my eyes. Then I'm taking the Take Me to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna first pick up that satiny matte blue shade on a tapered blending brush, and also gonna apply that to my crease and layering up a lot of eyeshadows on your eyelids and blending them thoroughly gives you a smooth blend and diffused eyeshadow application on the eyelids. So I'm just trying to build up the color on the crease here. Then I'm going to pick up this sort of dirty sky blue shade on a tapered blending brush, and I'm going to apply that on top of the darker blue that I just applied on the crease. And again, I'm gonna keep blending so that there are no harsh lines in the smoky eye. Then picking up this super metallic shimmery shade from the Too Faced palette on a flat shader brush, which is also a blue shade, and applying that on the remainder of my eyelids. So that is underneath the crease of my eyes. So I'm really packing up the eyeshadow because I want it to be really foiled and shiny on the eyelids. Then I'm going ahead with the dark blue satiny matte eyeshadow that I applied initially and just blending on the crease of my eyes. And as you guys can see, there is a lot of eyeshadow fallout, and this is why you should always do your eye makeup first. Then I'm picking up the matte black shade on the BH Cosmetics palette on a pencil brush, and I'm ever so slightly gonna deepen up the outer corners of my eyes and give that smoky effect. Then I'm taking the K-Beauty 24-hour retractable kajal pencil in the shade Spade, and I'm just gonna draw a thin line along my upper lash line. And this doesn't really have to be neat because we are gonna smudge it right after the kajal application. And I took a small pencil brush and smudged that eyeliner on top of the upper lash line. Then I'm taking the NYX matte liquid eyeliner and I'm going to create a winged eyeliner on both my eyes. Then I took a mixture of the blue and black shade from the BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette on an angled brush, and I just ran that right on top of the winged eyeliner that I just created. And this creates a beautiful smoky effect to the eyeliner, and uh, I wanted to keep the winged eyeliner a little bit on the smokier side. So this is what I do whenever I want like a smoky eyeliner look. Then I'm gonna retouch the liquid eyeliner that is really close to the upper lashes. Going ahead with the K-Beauty Kajal on my lower waterline and my lower lash line. I also went ahead and tight line my eyes because it's a smoky eye and you don't want a flesh toned color peeking through from your smoky eye. Then I took the deep blue on the pencil brush and smudged that lower lash line to create a smoky effect. Then I'm going ahead with the LA Girl compact powder in the shade Cocoa on a flat smudging brush and smudging that underneath the blue that I just applied on the lower lash line. Then I took the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Champagne Pop, and I'm going to use that to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. For mascara, I'm taking the L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes mascara and applying that to my top and bottom eyelashes generously. Then I took these PAC Mink eyelashes in M73, which are super dramatic and super fluttery. So I just popped them off camera, and that finishes up this classic blue smoky eye look, which is super glam. And classic blue also happens to be the Pantone color of the year 2020. So I thought of creating a look infusing that color, and this is what I came up with. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do give this video a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe for more such videos from me, and I shall see you guys all soon in the next video. Bye.